Your body language on stage starts from the moment you enter. If you're in a meeting room, it starts from the moment you stand up to speak. And I do think you should try to stand up to speak, even if you're in a relatively small space. It will just give you more impact and allow you to be more relaxed and breathe properly and all those sorts of things. But if you are walking onto a stage or walking to the front of a room, walk with confidence. People are making a judgment right from the second you start to sort of come into their field of vision. So shoulders back, head is relaxed, smile on your lips, making eye contact with people as you come on, or making eye contact with a compere on stage as you walk towards them. But your body language right from the word go should convey confidence, relaxation, that you're happy to be here, you're happy to see your audience, and you know that you're about to share something really terrific, important, relevant, useful with them. So don't just think about, okay, I've just got to get myself to the middle of the stage, then I can think about how I stand and my posture and all that sort of stuff. No. Your body language starts from the moment you come into somebody's field of vision. So bear that in mind. Walk with confidence, walk with poise, and try not to be too stiff, starchy about it. Just come on and say, hey, I'm here. Listen to me. This is going to be good.